So, as you might know, pump.fun has been around for a while, with launching meme coins and stuff. But yeah, nowadays is pretty saturated, like of course it's still possible to get super rich with this shit. Of course, when people are looking to buy a meme coin, they are looking for like a new platform or like a new way to buy meme coins that don't go to zero that fast. And one of those platforms to launch a meme coin on is Raydium. So for example, if you go to Photon, you can see here new pairs and you can see Texas and you can see a lot of Texas, like this kind of shit. But the main two are Radium and Pump Fun. So as you can see that almost all of the meme coins are being launched on Pump Fun. Like every second there is a tons of meme coins being launched there. But if you only select Radium, you will see that's not that many meme coins are being launched on Radium. And as you can see with the market gap, every meme point that gets launched on Radium gets to fucking crazy market gaps like there's not one. This one is the lowest right now, and it's a shit meme going as well. It looks ugly as fuck. The reason for that is when you launch a meme con on Radium, you need to be a developer. You need to develop you need to know coding and programming and all that shit in order to launch an inconal Radium, but the crazy part of this shit is that I found a new website that allows you basically to launch a meme corner Radium without having to know how to code or program. So basically this new website that allows you to launch a meme corner radio is called coinfactory.dev. So if you go to coinfactory.dev, you can literally connect your wallet like I did already here. You can launch your own meme corner Solana here on Radium. So this is basically how you can turn your $100 into like 500 to 500 into 1,000, and you can continue this way until you reach like millions like many other people do. And in this video, I will show you live how to do this. So I will launch a meme coin live in this video to show you guys the proof that this is the new method that is insane, like prints insane amounts of money. So for this example, I already did some research. You know what I usually do is I go to I go to Photos on, and I look on, meme coins that are trending like what's popping right now. Like if you go to Memescope, what always works well in my opinion and what has always worked for me is dogs and cats. Like cute pictures of dogs and cats. That's like the main meta of like the whole meme coin space. So yeah, also there was a period with AI nowadays. Dogs and cats are coming back. You had, of course, with the elections, you could make a bunch of different meme coins with that. Donald Trump even made a meme coin recently is fucking crazy. Yeah, I'm basically gonna launch a meme coin with this image. I'm basically gonna launch a meme coin with this image. I'm basically gonna launch a meme coin with this image. I went to Canva, I made a 500 by 500 logo, and I made this, and I just downloaded it. It's that easy, guys. So you go to CoinFactory, then select the network we need, Solana, and start creating. Enter the ticker of our token, I called SHOPDOG, and token symbol. This is a shortened version of your name. I will write SD. Next, we need to specify decimals. It should always be 9. And also Saplay, I advise you to bet 1 billion as it is the same Saplay of all tokens on pump.fun. I enter 1 billion and move on. Now upload our token logo that I made. It's done. Next is the description. I wouldn't advise you to write anything, but you can specify the social networks of the token or just a brief description, but it's not necessary. The last settings are left. They won't hurt us, so turn them all on so that users can see that the token is secure. Immutable. If your token is immutable, it means you will not be able to update token metadata. Revoke mint authority. Prevent additional token supply to increase investors' trust. We won't need to mint tokens, it's a plus for security, and revoke freeze authority. After that, we connect the wallet and sign the transaction, after which we receive our tokens. Our token address will have to appear in the line of the site after successful creation. Also, you just get it on your wallet after confirming the transaction. It's done, the contract's in place, and we're moving on. Then go to raydium.io to the liquidity section on the Raydium website. So basically, if you are stubborn and what you can do is you just go to liquidity, create new liquidity, and then you press on standard AM, continue, and then you basically land on the same page. So what you do next is you're going to connect the wallet that you just created your meme coin with. So you press on connects, boom. Now we have your wallet connected for the base token, guys. I just created the meme coin, and I have still 2.5 Solana remaining in this wallet. So basically what you're going to do is you're then going to go back to going fast. You're going to copy the token address from Coin Factory. You're going to base it in here, and then you have the symbol, and then you need to fill in the same name that you filled in. So my meme coin is called SHOPDOG. So we're going to fill in, SHOPDOG there. Symbol SHOPDOG adds user token. Here we have it, and then you press max, and then you're just going to remove that, and you're going to fill in 900 million. This is really important because you have 1 billion tokens in your wallet, and you're going to, false, fill in, you're going to, with the Raydium liquidity pool, you're going to fill in 900 million. The quote token is going to be Solana, and you can just do everything you have. You won't lose this money because you are. This is basically that you are the first buyer, so you are not going to lose this money. Here it says a creation fee of 0.2 souls required for new pools. I know, like, I will just do 2.3, I guess, and then the feet there, I know, like, I will just do 2.3, I guess, and then the feet there. So basically, now you click on Initialize Liquidity Pool. Then you need to confirm the transaction. Now you can see that the liquidity pool has been created. When you now go to Photon, you will actually see new pairs that your coin has been launched here. Our going has been launched 17 seconds ago on the Raydium DEX. You can just go to the coin and you can see there's already 1.16K. Like, it takes a little bit of a time to get this updated, but you can already see that the liquidity is 1.16K. So as you can see here, you're going to copy the token address, and on DEX screen, you're just going to go to a coin. You can just go to a coin, and in the URL, you have DEX screener /Solana / the token address of that meme coin, and you're just going to remove the token address, and you're going to fill in your own meme coin address. Okay, nice. So as you can see, we already have the token now on DEX screener. So as you can see, we already got some buyers. But they also sold already, as you can see here. So the def, we put in 2.3 Solana ourselves, and we got some people who bought already. And now is basically what we need to do to make money with this is we need to go to portfolio, and we just need to refresh the page. And yeah, our liquidity pool, it takes a little, some minutes. It takes some time for this to appear here. So we just need to wait and refresh. And in the meantime, there will be people who buy our meme coin. So we just need to wait for now. So we're just waiting right now, and as you can see, someone just bought 1 Solana of our meme coin, so that's really nice. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to check on portfolio, and I'm just going to keep refreshing the page because the liquidity pool has not shown up yet, so this can sometimes take some minutes. So I'm just going to keep refreshing and waiting if there's going to be more buyers for our meme coin. And once there are more buyers, you will see here an updated version, and you can remove the liquidity. But remember, guys, this is only for educational purposes. Only do not do this. So now we're just chilling. We're waiting, and we just got another person who bought. So as you can see, we got literally people buying our meme coin. As you can see, we're already at 2K of the liquidity, so we're just going to wait now and until the portfolio, like until the, liquidity pool shows up, and then we can, if we want, we can remove all the liquidity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep refreshing the liquidity. This can take some minutes, guys. But yeah, I'm telling you guys, look, we just got another buy. As you can see, this method is pretty crazy. You know, like, this method is just insane. You get people just buying your meme coin without doing any marketing. And the reason for that is because when you usually launch a meme coin, already you need to be a developer. You need to know how to launch your meme coin. I've seen coin without this platform. You know, like coinfactory.dev, like, this is the platform now where you can literally launch a Solana token. Like a meme coin that you don't need to have any knowledge about, coding or developing anything. By the way, not affiliated in any way with them, but yeah, I just discovered this website. And yeah, this is like a sick new method that you can just launch meme coins on Solana, and this is just pretty insane. As you can see, the results speak for themselves right here, guys. Like, we just got another small little buys, probably bolts or something. So we're just chilling. We just saw that someone else bought. You can see all the transactions here, guys. Someone else just bought this meme coin as well. So that's pretty crazy. So now we're just waiting until the liquidity pulse shows up at Raydium. All right, so as you can see, I just refreshed the page of Raydium with a portfolio tap here, as you can see at the standard one, and here the liquidity pool showed up. So what we can do now if we want, we still got people that bought our meme coins, so what we can do now if we want, then we can just select here the minus, and we can press here 100%. And as you can see, $18, remove liquidity, press, confirm. As you see, we will get 4 Solana back, remove liquidity. And as you can see, the liquidity has been going to go away. Now we are going to look in our wallet, boom. Now we are going to look in our wallet. Now we are going to look in our wallet, boom. We put 2 Solana in, or something like that, 2.3, I think, and we just made a bunch of Solana, guys. I swear to God, this is the easiest method right now to launch meme coins, because Raydium, like, not a lot of people know how to do this yet, so take advantage of this information when you still can. If you have any questions, you can join my group below with the Telegram link, and I will see you there.